G'day and how's it going, everyone? Welcome to the Smellswood YouTube channel. My name's Harley and this is the YouTube channel. What I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be doing a lot of automotive things. I'm going to be doing a lot of learning. I'm going to be doing a lot of shorts and just trying to get some knowledge out into the world that, the newer generation have kind of lost. So come with me and let's see where this journey takes us. All right, fellas, and that one chick that the boyfriend makes watch, this is the first project I started with. Went and picked this up last night. Got it for fairly cheap, but she is quite, just had a look at a couple of things earlier. She's quite old, she's quite rusty. She's got a few dings and dents. I mean, the hole's snapped here. But this is the first project that we're going to get started on. We're going to have to do a lot of cutting, welding, grinding, spray painting. We're going to do fiberglass. We're going to have to replace all the polyurethane. We're going to have to do some tyre changing. So I'm going to show you how to change some tyres. We're going to pack some wheel bearings. We're going to have to do a whole lot of work. We've got a 50 horsepower 3-cylinder Yamaha. I don't know what year that is. I'm going to have to find out what's going on with this, but that's the engine. The guy that we got it off, he reckons it runs. He reckons it's a goer, so yes. He did crank it up a little bit. I mean, it sort of started, but this is the first rig. He says we've got a sounder. He's given me the sounder. It's in the back of the ute. But we have a big project ahead of us. We have to take all this stuff off, all the way wrap around, and we're going to have to reseal the boat here. This is the probably the only part that I can see that's going to be taking on water. But yeah, so that can come off. We're going to re-glue all that together and come with me on our little journey. See how many things we can fix and how much we can learn. Hey guys? Alright guys, so project number 1, I'm going to say, is cleaning up all of the old leaves, debris and stuff, so we can get that rotten piece of wood out and start doing a bit of work on this thing. Put a time lapse up and watch my progress. Alright everyone, a little bit of a random side on the old Suan 2. Getting all of this wood out. This stuff's really flaky. It's quite bad. But I've got a random side quest that I have to do. I've got to go and pick up a car and a car trailer. So come with me and learn how to put a car in a car trailer today, guys. Alright guys, so this is the old Navara. What I'm bringing 1 2.5 ton strap and 4 of these little 200 kilo straps. Put those in here. My boat stuff. And I'm going to go hire a U-Haul from down the road from this guy's work, and then I'm going to take him back to his house. But yeah, this is the old Navara. This is the rig. Let's see how well she wants to start this morning. She's never missed a beat, this old girl. She's an absolute weapon. Alright guys, check back in with you when I get to the tyre power in Kewdale. There's Scotty's car in his home. All packed away, ready to go. Got to film the unload, but no, I just want to get them done. Hey guys, down here at the old Kewdale Tyre Power. Got Scotty's car on the car trailer. I'm just leaving the winch hooked up. I should have filmed the trailer, but I'll film that when I take it off. Got it hooked up to his cross member bar. Going around the tyre. and over the